Good afternoon, Pawpaw's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. So we're getting ready to install number 66. Was caught in the same location as 64 was, and it was just as big. Beautiful swarm, a lot of bees. So we did a mite count on 64. We had 2 per 300. It's late in the year for area. It's late in the year for our area. There you go. I'll get it right in a minute. So a lot of talk had been brought up about the time of these swarms, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with these swarms. They're just like any other swarm programmed to draw wax. I boxed these yesterday afternoon late. That's completely drawn. There's the queen. We found her right to start off with. So that's good. She's a dark one. And she is laying it up. So we're going to catch her. All right, we got the queen right there. Don't want her to roll out of the box. And they've drawn that side. They've drawn that side. This is since yesterday afternoon, so we're running less than 24 hours right this minute. Brought a lot of nectar with them. That's the drawn bait frame. This is frame number 2. You're putting the wax down on that. That's drawn. Beautiful. Got a lot of bees festooning in here. My goodness. They're working on that. I've got the queen and I've got so many bees hanging in this box. I'm just gonna get me a half a cup of these festooning right off the wall in here. There's my half cup of bees. I'm gonna put them in there. We're gonna check them out. Dispatch them pretty quick. Let them soak while we finish the install. I got a lot of bees in this box, so I'm gonna have to bump them. A lot of bees in this box. They're hot in this box. We give them a vent. Drone. They're going to town. Swarm. That's why I love swarms. Swarms draw wax. Ain't no doubt about it. Bump these girls in the box. Get the box back. Lots of bees. Not gonna mess around marking this queen right this minute, just because we just dumped these. I don't want her flying off nowhere. All right, they're in the box. We got the box marked. Yesterday's date and location. I don't see inner cover. Yeah, there's the inner cover. All right, let's put this inner cover on these girls. Alright, they're all wrapped up. Mama's back in the box and we got our sample. So this is the same sample alcohol from yesterday, so it already had 2 mites in it. So I got to deduct 2 off of whatever I get. And what we're trying to do here is go ahead and verify that these hives are not swarming because they're absconding, because of mite load. I don't think that's the case, but only takes a second to find out. And when you can find a queen on the install, why not go ahead and do it? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 mites. 2 of those are from yesterday. So that puts us at 5 per 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're at 5 mites per 300 on a hive at the end of June in eastern North Carolina. I'm tickled to death with that. Feel more than certain this hive did not abscond, just for the simple fact they're at 5 mites per 300. So that is not too shabby. Pop-Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks, please like and subscribe. I hope this helps a few of y'all. Y'all have a good day.